Hey guys, so Xano just announced a few news that will be coming up this next months within the tool. And this is awesome to hear. I just want to make a quick resume of what are the best things that they have come out with. And one of them is the functional stack assistant. Now you will be able to use AI in order to generate your functions. This can happen on functions, on APIs, on actions, on MCP tools, on anything. So now you can just add some text here, and they can generate the APIs, requests, get records, whatever function inside your Xano stack with AI. So that's crazy. Not only that, if you see right here to the right, you have the Xano script. Now they have created a natural language that we can use instead of the visual developer that they have in the function stack. This is crazy. This is our developers and the team will be super happy that they won't be need to, like, whenever we are working with large complex flows, sometimes it gets super tedious to work with, and the fact that we'll be able to just see an organized line of code that we can look at instead of looking at all of these visual things inside the Xano function editor is going to be fantastic. Not only that, one of the other news that they launched, apart from the Xano script, that this is crazy, this is one of the most important updates I think Xano has come out with. It's definitely the fact that now we can use the Xano MCP server. They have created an MCP where you can interact with your Xano instance from any, from Cloud.dev, from Cursor. And the coolest thing is now you will be able to not only interact with your tables, but also with your APIs, functions, where you pretty much can work directly from Cursor and make edits to your instance inside Xano. So you don't need to really go into and this is like the idea of what Xano script looks like, how you will be writing code here. Pretty much just JSONs. It's just cool how they have it structured. Obviously there will be a learning curve, but I guess there will be a ton of documentation, and obviously you have the help of AI tools to work with this. But the coolest thing is now you will be able to run write Xano scripts inside your Cursor app and make edits directly to your Xano instance. Not only that, also one of the most important updates is the pricing. I know this is important for a lot of people who want to get started with Xano. They have gone from $99 per month to $29 per month, and this is a big change. So awesome work to the Xano team. They have launched amazing updates. There is a lot of work that needs to be, there's a lot of, I guess, testing that a lot of agency owners, developers need to do with the MCP tools that they have created, like with all the tools they have created for agents, AI tools, etc. So I know a lot of people will be starting to use these fantastic tools that they have created. Once again, just to the Xano team, they have done a fantastic work. They are supporting the community as no other no-code tool has done it, and they are launching features that are definitely going to, or are going to definitely change the game. Thank you so much for watching.